What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm going to do a review for you of the Luminous wheels, the soft ones and the hard ones. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, and general roller skating lifestyle videos. So if you are trying to learn how to roller skate, or if you've been roller skating for forever, I highly recommend that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post, because I put out new videos every Tuesday. I go live on Sundays, and every once in a while I throw out another random video in the rest of the week, and you want to be there for it because it's a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's review. Okay, so today we are going to be reviewing the Luminous wheels. Now, if anyone was to ask me what I think that a skater who already has, they have skates, they have pads, they have all the basic stuff, and they want to do something that is fun and exciting and get something that I think that every skater should have, I would tell them to get Luminous wheels. And I know you might be thinking, that's so random, Rebel. Why would you say that? Let me tell you why. Because these wheels light up whenever you roll on them. So yeah, you can't really see it when you're skating around in the light or the daytime, but when you take these wheels out during the night, they are magical. They completely change your roller skating experience. So that is my first overall opinion about light up wheels in general. So now let's talk about the Luminous wheels specifically. So the Luminous wheels is, I think, the most reputable company for light up wheels. And they have a rainbow worth of different colors of light up wheels that you can get. Now, the way these light up wheels work, they are the basic ones, the ones that come in a million different colors. They are hybrid wheels, so they are 85A in hardness and they are 62 millimeters in thickness. So the way that Luminous wheels work is that inside the hub, this part, there's magnets. And then the light up wheel itself comes with this little magnet thing that just goes right inside and snaps into the inside of the wheel. So this is inside the part that you put your bearings in. Once you put your bearings into a Luminous wheel, it looks like this. You won't be able to actually see the charger that's on the inside and that is responsible for the lighting up of the actual wheel. And as your wheel spins, that's when your wheel will light up. Now, it won't light up right now when I'm spinning it because it actually needs pressure attached to it in order to light up. So once I put these wheels on my skates and then I skate down the road, that's when these are really gonna light up. So the reason why I tell you how it works, one, is because so many people are often asking me, how do light up wheels work? Which brands are good? So Luminous is by far the best brand of light up wheel that I have tried, and among most skaters that I've talked to, they all tout Luminous wheels. Now, there's something to know about the Luminous wheels. Once you have the bearings into this wheel and you're going to put it onto the actual truck of your skate, so once you're putting it on here, you're going to need to put the nut on in the opposite direction than you usually would with a regular wheel. Unless you have, I think it's wide trucks that you might be able to do it the regular way. But for most trucks, you're gonna have to put the little nut thing, which is this part right here. You're gonna have to turn that around and have it upside down. So the reason why you flip the nut is because there are, yes, two bearings in your wheel, which is the case for any roller skate wheel, but there's also that charger in the middle. So the inside of your wheel is just a little bit thicker than other wheels. So there's not enough room for that nut to get on there tight enough so that it secures the wheel onto the truck and to be the same direction as you would for any other wheel. So that's an important thing to know about the Luminous wheels. So another thing that's really wonderful about having these light up wheels when you're skating outside at night is that when you're skating at night, it's really hard to see you as a roller skater, especially if you're skating in the street or skating anywhere that there might be any sort of traffic at all, whether that be foot traffic, bike traffic, other skaters traffic. And so having light up wheels on your skates, it literally lights up a path around you. Like, it is so bright. And so having these wheels on your skates actually helps to increase your safety on your skates, because there is no way that people are going to miss you when you have luminous light up wheels on your skates. Also, these may be pink and they're super cute and totally my aesthetic, but there's also all the other colors of the rainbow available. So there's so many colors, and you can, honestly, I would get a pair in every single color if I could, just because they're that cool. And who doesn't love it? Light up wheels on your skates outside. Outdoor rollouts late at night, you should definitely have a pair of these. Okay, but the one thing that I don't like about these wheels is, and while this isn't true for everyone, because they're 85s, for me, I do not like taking these to the rink. And when you're a beginner, you might like taking these to the rink, but when you're a little bit more advanced, you might not like it. And the reason why is because these are gummy, and so they're gonna stick to the floor. And not like sticking to the floor outside, but rather when you have a really smooth floor, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you to glide and dance and all of those things that you would be able to do with a harder wheel. It's more difficult to do that with this wheel. However, oftentimes I would sacrifice that ability to do all of those fun things just for the sake of having light up wheels because they look so cool. But now we don't have to do that anymore, because Luminous wheels came out with these bad boys. That's right. They are Luminous 97A 58mm light up wheels. Hard wheels that are light up wheels. And the light, the excitement, the amazing, these open up for me a whole world of just wonderfulness and magic on my skates. And the reason why that is because a 97, you can take that to the skate park. So you can be skating on ramps and in bowls on light up wheels and still have that hardness going for you. These are excellent to take to the rink because they are a more hard wheel, which will be a little bit more slick on the floor, which will give you more movement and make it so you feel less like you're skating through mud when you're at the rink, which no one wants to feel like that when they're at the rink anyways. Another reason why I love these wheels, I'm like clearly stoked on them. Another reason why I like them is because these ones are bigger this way. So overall, the Gummy light up wheels are bigger. And so these harder light up wheels are just the cat's meow. I'll be honest with you. And so I think it's super cool that Luminous now has not just a gummy wheel, but also a hard wheel for people who prefer harder wheels for the skate park or the rinks, or even if you're a person who really likes skating on hard wheels outside and just, wants a free foot massage every day, these wheels would be great for you. So, would I recommend you getting a pair of Luminous wheels? Yes. I don't even need to know your skate situation to tell you that I think you should get a pair of Luminous wheels. 1, it makes you look so cool. 2, it'll put a smile on your face. 3, it protects you and makes people see you. 4, they just will enhance your aesthetic. If you wanted to dress up like a neon sign, you could, and have the finishing touch be your wheels. And if you want compliments, luminous wheels are the way to go. Lots of people want these wheels, so anytime you see them anywhere, I would recommend getting them because they sell out really, really fast. Every time they drop anywhere, they sell out. That being said, where can I get these wheels? Great question, person who's watching this video, skater who I love and cherish and I'm so grateful for. Well, you can get them at pigeonskates.com, and if you use code REBEL, you could get 5% off. So that's dope. Get some light up wheels and save yourself some money, honey. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed learning about my low-key favorite skates because they're so cool, but not my everyday skates, but my look at me, I'm belangin' skate wheels. So I hope that you get yourself some so you can feel the amount of joy that I feel when I just hold these in my hands, and then when I put them on my skates, and then when I roll around on them. If you want to support me, you can buy some cool stuff out of my Etsy shop. I just got these earrings in my shop. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. These are the bubblegum sparkle roller skate glitter skate earrings, and they're in my shop right now. And you can also become a Patreon. When you become a Patreon, you're giving money to help me continue making videos, to buy equipment and gear for me to review, and just help me to give back to you. So when I do giveaways and stuff like that, that's where that stuff comes from. But most importantly, cheers to the queers! I've got a rebel soul.